to download music from audiomack without using the app, right? Yes, let's go straight into it. That's what I'm going to show you today. So this is the simplest way to download music from audiomack. You don't need to have an account. You can see it says sign in. I don't have an account. I'm not yet signed in on audiomack, but I just want to download something. Let's say I found a song I want to download. Let's use this guy. I'm just gonna click on, when you see the song like this, what you need to do is come to the three dot right here, click on it, and you go to copy music URL. I don't want to play the music. I'm supposed to open it up so that we can see other ways in case you're using your phone, but the same way works for both phone, computer, whatever you're going to be using. Because of copyright strike, I'm not going to open it, so I'm going to click on copy the music URL. Once it says copied to a clipboard, then you're good to go. Then the next step is go straight to your browser again and come to this site that says this is audiomack downloader. So let me push it down a little bit for you guys to see how the URL looks like. It's not acceptable for us on YouTube to show URL, so we don't get issues. But once you're here, you see this audiomack-downloader.com, you are good to go. Now let's get straight back into downloading this song and see if it's gonna work. So it says enter your song link. I'm gonna paste it right here and say enter, and let's see what's gonna happen. Oh, straight up right here. So it's coming up. Let's be sure that the guy is not lying. Hope is not lying. I'm not lying about this. So I'm just gonna turn back. So this is the same song, right? And this is it right here. And it is the same song, Lincoln 3 dot traffic. Lincoln 3 dot traffic. Right. So no BS right here. No one is lying right here. So this site works. And it says download MP3. Finish converting. After converting, say download MP3. So once you click on download, you see it's already downloading and you see it right here. So am I lying or not? I'm just gonna drag it out here, right here. So there's the song, but I can't play this song because of copyright strike. So it's Lincoln 3 dot traffic, which is still the same song. I hope this helped you. Let me know in the comment section, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.